Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share with you guys this newest collection from Polkadoodles, and look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, they are just so cute. Now this is the original size. Oh no, these I shrunk them just a little bit more so that I can fit them all in one page and share them with you, but this is the original size. So this one I was only able to add 3, and I love that they already come colored, ready for you to use on your projects. And it's Christmas and it's Winnie, so it can't get any better than this, you guys. And it is a super fun collection. It comes with those 6 images, and I believe it comes with 12 different patterns, all very Christmassy. And I love that it comes with the traditional colors plus with these, like, you know, it comes with like gray and the light blue or turquoise and some pink, I think. I really love this color combination. This one says Santa Claus is coming to town, and just some really fun patterns. And as you can see, I printed this one twice because I really liked it. And some polka dots, which you can never go wrong with, and these circles that say joy. And I really wanted to share this with you guys because I absolutely love it. It is one of their newest collection. Like I said, it is called Winnie Christmas Wishes. And I hope, and I wanted to share it with you on time because I hope you can take advantage of this and use this for your upcoming Christmas projects. And well, because it's just beautiful, you guys, I wouldn't share with you something I don't like. I also wanted to share with you last year's collection. Now this collection only came in images. There's no pattern paper, no sentiments, no nothing. This one comes with the images and papers, as you can see what I just shared with you. These come with, I think it's like 12 images. Yeah, I think it's 12. So here are the first images. I'm pretty sure you've seen her because I think I added her to one of the thumbnails on my video, the one that's called how to download your videos, and I'm going to link that one down below in case you want to learn how I do all of my downloads. And it also shows you there how to resize each one. Now I like to use this Silhouette program. You do not need to have the cutting machine in order for you to use the Silhouette program. It is free for anyone. And then this page, and look how adorable they are. Like I said, these are in its original size, so they are quite big, you guys. And then you can shrink them. So there's 4, that's 8 and 12, because this one I repeated the image just so I don't have just to use up the space wisely. So this one is called Winnie Heavenly. Comes with 12 images. This one is called Winnie Christmas Wishes, and it comes with 6 images and 12 pattern paper. Alright, so you guys, let me know if you end up getting these collections, or if you already have these, if you end up getting both or just one, or let me know which one is your favorite collection. No, let me rephrase that. Let me know which is your favorite Christmas collection from Polkadoodles. I really want to know. Mine, oh my gosh, mine, I think it's Winnie White Christmas, but I feel that I've been working with it so much. I've been working with it since July, and I think it's time for me to work with something different. Although I absolutely love Winnie in Winterland. That one is very traditional colors, and I think it's just so beautiful. It even has Santa Claus in it, and I need to work with that one too. But I haven't worked with, I made some embellishments with these, but I feel like I haven't worked with it as much. But I definitely am going to use this one, you guys, because it comes with the papers and the images are just adorable. Anyways, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for links to these collections. Bye everyone.